Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 2018 Golf GTI with a Starline Pro system. So as usual, someone steals this key in any way, shape or form, tries to start the vehicle up, drive it away, it just won't start. And the vehicle's protected. If it's the customer and they want to drive the vehicle, all they got to do is have their phone in range and in their pocket, Bluetooth on, hop in the vehicle, start it up. No need to do anything different to usual. In an event where their phone's gone flat while they're out one day and they need to get home, obviously they don't have a charger, can't charge the phone and don't have the Bluetooth, the phone's completely dead, what they'll have to do is ignition on without their foot on the brake, go through a push sequence they've set, but for the video we've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3, receive a melody, we can start the vehicle and drive it. As you can see, vehicle drives. If they want to change this code, obviously they don't want it to be three presses of the same button. The way they do that is first ignition on, disarm the system, then press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignition off, back on, get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn a code, so we'll just change it to so 6 presses. We've done. You can go all the way to 21. Got a confirmation, we'll repeat that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got the same confirmation, that's the code learnt. There we go. So now when they get in the vehicle, their phone's gone flat and they need to drive it, this will be the code they use. So if the phone was dead, we'd do ignition on, code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, melody, foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle up. If this was going for a service, obviously they wouldn't want to give them the code or leave the phone in the vehicle. So what you'd want to do is hop into the Starline key app, press and hold on here, it will spin round, go from green to yellow. When it does, let go and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. Now this is a normal car. No need for a phone, no need for a code. Volkswagen can drive it around their workshop, service it, road test it as they would normally. Then when you get it back, just press and hold on the app. Spin round, go from yellow back to green, let go and get 2 bleeps. That's the vehicle protected again. If you want to get one of these installed, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. And this is a 2018 Golf GTI. Thanks for watching.